Hi my friends, today I want to share with you how to do a little snail with real snail shell. So watch my video. If you have a question, just ask. This is my decoration and you can paint. It's anything you want to do, you can create with snail shell. And I'm sure everybody, if you go to the seaside or you just walk in the garden, you can find this type of seashell, snail shell, and just be creative. So I'm gonna get some polymer clay and I start to sculpting the snail. And after sculpting, I will be decorating like with paint, any paint you want, like acrylic, or you can do whatever paint you have on your hand. So just enjoy my video. As you can see, I'm creating snail eyes, and it's up to you what type of shape you're gonna give for your snail eyes, like that or bigger one. It's everybody individual how you feel about it. It's more important, if you find a snail shelf, just keep it and you can decorate it any color you want. It's so interesting to create something for natural nature. So guys, after that I'm gonna paint, and after painting I'm gonna bake, and that's it. Snail, it's nearly ready, and have fun. As you can see here, I painted with some nail varnish. It's so interesting. I choose all sorts of color. So have a fun, have a lovely day. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching.